Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. It's time for another monthly NailTube collab. The theme was chosen by Carito, and these are the girls that joined in. Nicole, Maria, Brenda, Monse, and I. You can find links to their videos in the description box of mine. As a base, I've applied this Revlon nail polish called Moon Candy, and on the bottom it says Meteor. You get two nail polishes in one. On this side we have the green polish, and on the other side we have the glitter. I'll be using images from these two plates, Nicole Diary ND009 and this one from Born Pretty BPL022. I'll begin stamping with this regular polish from YAPA called Gabrielle. It looks really good. This first image represents the inside of a robot. And on the accent nail, I'll be stamping an image from this plate, probably only one because my nails aren't that long. I'll use the silver Maniology stamping polish called So Metal. I'm not sure if you guys can see the difference, but this one is a little bit more gold and this one is definitely silver. Now we'll apply our Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. And here's the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!